They will say you are weak. They will say your voice should not be heard. They will say your opinion does not matter because you're a woman, because you're a widow. They will try to possess your possessions. They will try to deprive you of your right to breathe freely because you're a woman, because you're a widow. But you have something unique. You have power in your voice to choose to challenge injustice, unfairness, not just for you, for your daughter, her daughter, your neighbor, a friend, a sister, a cousin, a niece. Your story could be another person's story, though narrated differently. You, as the main character, could have flaws and shortcomings, but you should not be deprived of the right to breathe freely. Choose to challenge the status quo. You may have some resistance, but you are strong. You are powerful, amazing, ambitious, passionate, and you have the right to breathe freely.